Hello friends, today I'm going to make a video on how you can insert a video clip or any animation to demonstrate your concept visually during the presentation. So how you can do this? There are two easy ways. First of all, you have to find the recording tab here. Click on it, you will see the options, and if it is not available, you can also go in insert tab, and at the end of this bar you will find screen recording. Once you click on it, the tab is appear on your screen. It will ask you few things. For example, select the area, your voiceover, and your pointer over the video. So usually I don't prefer these two things because during the presentation I want to explain by myself there and then, so I don't check on these two things. And then select the area you want to record. So select the area. For example, I want to record this area, then play and start recording. If you want to quit the recording, Windows Shift Q, you have to press these buttons. So I want to stop here, Windows Shift Q. So the video that I capture automatically appear on your page. And if you want to trim this video, you can also do this by clicking on the video, go to the playback, and there's a trimming option available. For example, this is a 9-second video, so from 1 second to 8 second, from 1 second to 8 second I want to keep, otherwise I want to trim the other part. Click on it, it will trim this video for you as well. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.